Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the following components are required to run this program, Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime. To start, we will go to the link that we left you in the description of the video. There, click on the line, Latest Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable Version. Now download the version based on your use system. Wait for it to be downloaded. Then click on the downloaded file. In the installation wizard, accept the license of use and click on Install. Click Yes to authorize. After this, you must wait for all the components to be installed locally. When this process ends, click on Restart. Windows will be restarted and this error will be solved. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.